Hello, my friends. Miss Marissa here for another virtual story time. I don't know about you, but I'm getting a little bored and stir crazy staying inside all the time. The good thing is I have my imagination, and your imagination can get you through almost anything. In today's story, Puppy Truck by Pinkney, a boy uses his imagination to imagine his toy as something else entirely. Here we go. Puppy Truck by Pinkney. Carter wanted a puppy. There's Carter. Carter wanted a puppy. He got a truck. Does look like a nice truck, doesn't it? And it's got a purple bow because it was a gift. So he got a truck, but what did he really want? A puppy. So he pet it and put a leash on it. What? You put a leash on a truck? Vroom, beep, bark, 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 bark. Oh, is Carter using his imagination? He's imagining his truck is a puppy. Vroom, beep, arf. He led the truck to the park. Vroom, beep, arf. Ooh, what is the puppy truck chasing? Do you know? I see a long tail. A squirrel? That's what I thought. Vroom, beep, bark. Stop! Carter's telling Puppy Truck, stop! So he doesn't catch what? The squirrel. What happened? I see a leash. And there's no Puppy Truck on the end of the leash. Uh-oh. Did Puppy Truck get away? Oh no. I hope everything is going to be okay. Who is it? Puppy Truck is hiding. What is Puppy Truck hiding behind? A bush. Oh, I think Puppy Truck thinks it's time for hide and seek. My Puppy Truck. You found him. My Puppy Truck. Do Carter and Puppy Truck love each other? Yeah, they're good friends. Vroom, beep. What does Puppy Truck see again? That silly old squirrel. I think you might be teasing Puppy Truck. So Puppy Truck led the way. Vroom. Do you know what's next? Vroom. Beep, beep. You were right. Beep, beep. Get that squirrel. What's next? Vroom, beep, beep. Bark. How's Carter feeling? He looks pretty happy to me, and I can tell because it has a smile on his face. He looks pretty excited too. Oh, they were so dirty. They went home and they had a wash. Puppy Truck's in the bathtub too? Oh my goodness. Do you ever take your toys into the bathtub? It could be really fun, right? There's even toys specifically made for the bathtub. And when you're taking a bath, what kind of sound do you make? Carter and Puppy Chuck, they go splish, splash, splish, splash. They were so hungry, they ate some nuts and bolts. Do you know what nuts and bolts are? Kind of hard to tell in this picture, but they're these little metal pieces that go on different types of machines. They were so hungry, they ate some nuts and bolts. Chomp, 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 nom, 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 nom. Munch, 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 nom, 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 nom. They were so tired, they parked for the night. Vroom, beep. Vroom, beep. Fast asleep. The next day, beep, they're back at it again. I guess they got some energy from that sleep. Beep. Oh, what does sister have? Can you see? Oh, she's got another machine. I think that's a bulldozer. What is she pretending the bulldozer is? Can you tell? Let's see if you can tell from here. Vroom, beep, meow. Oh, now a kitty truck or a kitty bulldozer? Oh my goodness. What will they think of next? The end. That was Puppy Truck. Carter was really using his imagination in that book. I really like it. So, we're going to use our imagination for this final song. It's called Popcorn Kernels. And what you'll need for this song is any scarf-like thing that you can find. I'm using my dog Penny's, her little neck scarf. It says bitty bitty wow wow. But you could use a real scarf. You could use even like a t-shirt, a sock, whatever you have. It's gonna work, okay? So this song is called Popcorn Kernels, and we're gonna be making some pretend popcorn with our imagination, okay? So I've got my instructions right over here. So you're gonna start by waving your scarf in the air, like this, as we say popcorn kernels, okay? And the next part we're gonna say in the pot. So when we say in the pot, you're going to crunch up your scarf or scarf substitute into a ball in like a little popcorn kernel. And then you're gonna do the best part. You're gonna go shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them until they pop. So you're gonna throw it up in the air a couple times until they pop. So let's try this together. We'll do it 2 times. All right, here we go. Wave them in the air. Popcorn kernels, popcorn kernels, in the pot, in the pot. Shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them, till they pop. Again, until they pop. So now you get to eat your pretend popcorn. Mmm, delicious. Imagination tastes pretty good. All right, so thank you for joining me for today's virtual story time. I'm really curious. What ways are you imagining your toys to be new things? Or how are you using your imagination in other ways? Remember, it's the most powerful tool as we stay home and stay safe. Thank you for joining me. We'll see you next time.